In a world filled with noise, division, and chaos, peace sometimes feels distant. But what if the answer isn't far away? What if it's right here, on our tables, in our kitchens, in the meals we share? Food has a language everyone understands. It gathers strangers, it heals wounds, and reminds us of shared humanity.
Everybody say good for peace. Oh my God.
Where food becomes a bridge to peace.
TV News, and I am Chinasa Fabian. So we are live at KKWF, which is part of the Orile community. We are here at the Cook for Peace Festival, using food to promote unity, peace, and prosperity. Here we use food as a tool to promote peace and prosperity, meaning food doesn't have enemies. So we are coming together to eat, enjoy as one here today. So stay tuned, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. Bye.
Tí a bá lò ká jẹun tó dára sínú, ká fowó mọ̀rẹ́ ká tún fi mẹ́bí lọ́kọ̀. Tí a bá lò ká jẹun tó dára sínú, ká fowó mọ̀rẹ́ ká tún fi mẹ́bí lọ́kọ̀. Ẹni tó bá fún jẹ máa fi ṣeré gó fún. Èèyàn lóore tọ́ba ló wà mímọ́, àlùbáríkà lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ àtúnwọlé.
Today we're here in Orile Igomu, where I have come to be a part of Cook for Peace Festival, using food as a tool to promote peace, unity, and prosperity in the community.
Well, we decided that we wanted to do something that will help to unite our people. So we said, let us use food as a tool to continue to preach peace, to continue to encourage community dialogue, and in order to promote peaceful cohabitation. Which other way? What other way could we have used if it was not for food? Food is very, 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 very essential.
Now, mommy, we wetin a cause fight for community. Wetin dey make people dey fight? Na food. Apart from food, wetin again? Money.
Attention, attention! If you're not spending money, go.
Now tell me, which food dem fit cook for you if you dey vex?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Yes.
Ti ṣe jọ̀lọ́fù tán o, dáàdì o. Wọ́n ti ṣe jọ̀lọ́fù tán o, dáàdì o.
Lots of, pots of jollof rice, pots of beans, pots of spaghetti, and all of these. People are waiting to eat, and while they are waiting to eat this food, you're talking to them about peace.
I like the message the program is passing.
Because nobody really wins with girls.
Because this type of a program is not just a book alone.
People coming to realize the value of peace.
It promotes peace, unity, and
understanding the dangers of chaos.
Without peace, there's no love. Without peace, there's no safety. Without peace, many of us will have no home or no place to call a home.
We all are custodian of the peace that we enjoy, and we must do as much as we can do to protect the peace that we enjoy.
Through saying no to drugs, through promoting peace and prosperity in the community. The government cannot do it alone. Private organizations cannot do it alone. We must come together to form a collaboration, and that collaboration is what you are seeing here today, where the government is listening to these people, and the people are also listening to the government, and we all come together to ensure that the greater Lagos continues to rise.
DJ
something. There's nobody you see in life who doesn't have a story. Mother, what your children become tomorrow, you have a part to play. iPhone 17 Pro, yeah, tomorrow lost school. You are a decider of your children's destiny. I know people who went into things because they said their mother abused them. Ṣé o rí Fẹ́mi ni? O rí mọ́tò àti bàtà tó rà fún ìyá ẹ̀ lórí. And when children begin to hear that, they want to make mommy happy. Wọ́n máa tọwọ́ bọ̀ nǹkan.
Times are changing, and all things remain the same. The air we are breathing is enough for every one of us. The future you speak of is here. The hour of harvest is near.
Ẹ̀yin òbí wa ẹ má ti àwọn ọmọ wa sí tìkùtì. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ ló ti ń wọ ká yẹn. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ ló ti ń ṣe kinní yẹn. Tó bá dẹ̀ wá lọ kọlu nǹkan tí ò dáa kò ní dáa o. You need to be motivated and work.
We need good job for the youth. We need job. We need peace. Please increase our community. God bless you.
Let us work. Iṣẹ́ kékeré, owó náà kéré bó tiẹ̀ kéré aṣá àti ẹ̀ ń ṣe tó bá yá àgbò dídí.
Mothers, you are a key to your children's future. Don't let anybody say you can't do anything great. If anybody tells you you cannot do anything great, tell them just wait and watch me. Má jẹ́ kẹ́nìkan kan sọ pé torí wọ́n gbé ẹ sínú yàrá kan ní boys quarter o ò lè ṣoríire. Gbogbo yín lè máa ṣoríire. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi yé? Àmọ́ èyí tó jù ni pé èyí tó wà primary school lóyún, èyí tó wà secondary school lóyún, just make sure pé ẹ lose focus. Ibi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń lọ ní kẹ́ lọ. Ọ̀rẹ́ ìgbà máa lo iPhone, ìwọ́n náà máa lo ètò ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Awakọ̀ náà dàgbà nígbà tá a kéré àìmọye nǹkan tá a lágbára lé lórí. Àmọ́ lẹ́yìn adúpẹ́ fọ́nà. Ẹ má dé kọ́tì yín ti kú ti o. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ má dà òbí ńlá.
It's greener on the other side. That's what I thought before I took the ride. I burned my bridges.
Make some noise! So, mommy, how many plates of rice should we finish?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Three plates. Mommy, you will come. Now only one. 4 plates.
Oh, don't bring me there, babe.
Okay, now, your love will teach you, no. Your love will teach you, no. Okay, your love will teach you, no. Skip, your love will teach you, no.
Please, you are not fighting more. You are not fighting anymore again. No fight, no anything, no trouble, no anything. Only now is now peace. Please, we need your support.
If this area is peaceful, you don't encourage outsiders to come here and fight. One life, you are going. We want Odile to be peaceful so that people can go about their businesses without fear or favor, without fear or molestation.
Anything to do with violence, it cannot help anybody. Tí kò bá ń ṣe wọlé ni, ó jẹ́ nìkan tí wọ́n mọ̀. Àwọn ọmọdé tí wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ kàn wọ́n, a máa ṣe wọ́n léṣe. Àwọn obìnrin tí kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ wọ́n, a máa kì wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀. Let us stop this thing and be our brother's keeper.
Níní sùúrù tí ò lérè.
Peacemakers.
Ní iṣẹ́ tí kò ṣeré.
I look at competition, my enemy na Saba.
Your head. Touch your waist. I said touch your toe. Touch your head. Touch your waist. Money, touch your toes. Touch your head. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. What was that? 70 to 30. This is 70, this is 30.
MC, what is happening?
Calling you tonight. I wanna make you feel. Make me know the fight. I don't sleep alone. Wanna hold you tight.
Mo tún ti dé o, èmi àti Babátúndé, àdẹ́kọ̀ mi pé jẹ́ kí ayọ̀ mi dé o. No darling, àjọ Sunday gbádùn, àjọ Sunday lókìjà èmi no send nobody, wọlé wọn bá.
Now please keep our environment clean. As we have gathered here today, let's take that message home, tell our neighbors, tell a friend to tell a friend that keep your environment clean. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rí pé a ṣe ìmọ́tótó agbègbè wa àti àyíká wa. Ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun àrùn gbogbo. Ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun àrùn gbogbo. Ìmọ́tótó ilé, ìmọ́tótó ara, ìmọ́tótó àyíká. Ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun àrùn gbogbo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ayọ̀ òṣèlú bàbá ẹni bàbá. I'm in a anywhere we are in a far away love, don't need love, everybody can follow Jadi. Chicken Tuesday, get them Thank you very much. DJ, continue your music.
I enter from my butcher, Kwakwalata. One more takasu face, I want I know fit for some if it don't pass my power. I roll up a shawarma, I get for Kwakwalata. I enter from my butcher, Kwakwalata. One more takasu face,
Maggie will love you. Without Maggie, your food cannot be yummy. With Maggie, your food will be yummy. We love you, Maggie. Thank you very much for your support. Maggie, God bless Maggie. God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
Igunu ko